Hey friends, Jocelyn here. If you're a beginner lawn lover, this is the easiest way to use the product, especially if you have bare patches or perhaps pea spots you want to cover from your dog. All you're going to do is take some grass seed, sprinkle it on top of the patch, and then a few scoops of the lawn lover go on top of that. You really want to get thick coverage, cover all that grass seed. And of course, the last step is to water well. Watering is going to reactivate your microbes, ensuring quick germination, and that the grass that comes up is green, lush, and vibrant. That's the easiest way to be a lawn lover. Oh, hey friends, if you're ready to be an intermediate lawn lover, get yourself a push cart spreader and add equal parts grass seed and lawn lover. You can mix that around a little bit in the hopper and be sure to set the dial to maximum. Then you're going to push it over any bare spots and make sure you get excellent coverage, covering the bare spots with your lawn lover and your seed. Don't forget, you always want to hose her down well before you're finished. That's how you become my intermediate lawn lover. Hey friends, Jocelyn here. If you consider yourself an expert lawn lover, or you got a lot of lawn to be loving, you're gonna wanna make a lawn lover tea. In order to do that, you need a cheesecloth or a paint strainer bag, and you're gonna fill it with about 4 cups of lawn lover and secure it with an elastic band. Then you're gonna dump it in some unchlorinated water, about 20 liters, and then start massaging that sack. You wanna really get in there, really manipulate that material in the sack. And what we're doing here is we're releasing the microbes into the water. We're reactivating those microbes so they're gonna replenish and regenerate your lawn. And in order to do that, we're massaging them off the material into the water. After about 2 minutes of massaging your sack, you're gonna leave it for an hour. Let it soak, let it brew, and then come back and continue to massage for another 2 minutes. Once you've massaged that sack significantly, you're ready to get it onto your lawn. Of course, you can always use a watering can, but if you have a lot of grass that you want to regenerate, I suggest using a sprayer. Now, remember, with a sprayer, you want low pressure and a large filter size to protect your microbes. Give it a few pumps, find that wand, whip it out, and start spraying down your grass. That's how you become an expert lawn lover.